Wanted to, show you what you can do with an avocado pit. These are my little avocado trees. This little guy didn't do anything. He's cracked, but I'll leave it there. I don't think they're going to do anything this far behind. I put them in these pots, and then I put them in here. And since this is not at my house, I would just put water in there. And then once they lean towards the sun, we'll come in and, do that with 2 hands. Turn them around so they grow that way. But actually, I think I'm going to take these home now and put them outside to see how they do outside, because I do know that they have to come in the house in the winter, because this is southwestern Pennsylvania, and I don't believe an avocado tree is going to do good outside. But look, this guy actually has branched out right there. I like those. So those are the avocado trees, free. Now I have to look up how big they get, how big of a pot, and I guess I'll have to put them on wheels to be able to move them eventually. Okay, have a great day.